चलो कुछ मीठे ईस्टर एग्स ट्राई करते हैं। वाओ, इट्स लुक ग्रेट एंड परफेक्ट। अब वाटर एंड देन एक और ईस्टर एग और फिर स्टोव को ऑन कर दिया। वेटिंग। ओके, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट डन। एंड देन चलो एग को पेंट करते हैं। First of all, blue linings and then green linings. Yes, yellow linings. It's perfectly done. And then red linings. Oh wow. And then red linings. Okay, I'm perfectly done with this. And then ready and then pink. Okay, it's gonna be very delicious. And then come on, let's add the zigzag patterns. Okay, it's almost done. Yes, come on, let's paint the strips. Yellow, nor blue, nor red, or not pink. I am really confused. Red is delicious, but pink is almost. Okay, come on, let's paste this with purple. And then yellow, and then red, nor blue. Yes, green. Okay, it's done. Come on, let's add the faces. Okay, let's add the eyes. It's almost done. And then this orange one, let's set the eyes. Oh, they are too far away. Then our delicious is ready. Bye bye.